अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज बच्चों के साथ बाहर एक फार्म है बच्चों का, स्मिथफील्ड फार्म बोल्टन। तो आज उसमें आए हैं, देखते हैं कि कैसा है ये और किस तरह बच्चों के लिए कितना अच्छा है, और आपको भी दिखाते हैं।
हेलो, मैंने बनाया है ये सारे में। ये सारे वे हम एवरीडे हम कहीं जाते तो हम वीडियो बना रहे थे।
इसकी बातें ना
राय, कहाँ आए हो आज?
हम फार्म है।
फार्म है, जू है?
फार्म जू हम की बन की और जाएंगे तो हम जू जाएंगे टुडे, तो हम फार्म जाएंगे। सिर्फ एवरीडे हम सिर्फ वन प्लेस में जाते थे, होम जाते थे।
गुड। सारिम
सामाजिक बात निकल साउंड बेबी है।
वेट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 12 बजे हमारी एंट्री है। कोविड-19 की वजह से उन्होंने बंद किया हुआ है कि एंट्री सिर्फ जो है 12 बजे मिलेगी। अभी जो टाइम हुआ है वो 11:35 और टेम्परेचर आज 17 और गर्मी है काफ़ी यहाँ। और हम लोग अभी, हमारे पास 25 मिनट हैं, इधर बैठेंगे। 12 o'clock हम जाएंगे। और कुछ मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ बाहर की पार्किंग, कितने लोग यहाँ आते हैं रोज़ के। ओके, फुल ऑफ पार्किंग। हर तरफ आपको गाड़ी नजर आएगी। आइसक्रीम अपने बच्चों के लिए। ये आइसक्रीम मेरे ख्याल में शॉप है जहाँ चलो
Let's go and see
Voilà.
some cows. Look at baby cows.
आखिरी जहाँ मिल्किंग पार्लर, इधर जी मिल्किंग पार्लर सारा है ये।
क्या लिखा है?
नहीं ऐसे नहीं फेंकते ना यार, मुझे दो दे दो। दे दो इनको।
बेबी के पास
Excuse me. As there's nobody behind us, would it be better if you sit there? Yeah, you want behind you.
It is a swamp.
Here. Thank you.
Okay, everybody, are we all ready for a tractor ride? Yeah! So we're going to head right up to the top of the farm. We're going to go and visit some of our donkeys on their day off from the donkey rides. Jack the pony's up there as well. On the way up it is quite bumpy, so do stay sat down for a minute. Keep your faces away from this green railing. When we get to the top, we'll park up and we'll feed the donkeys some bread as a really special treat. If you keep hold of your bread for me till we've parked up, keep it in nice big pieces for them. That way when the donkeys come round the trailer, you can hold it out for them and they can take it off you. If you keep the bread in nice big pieces for me, we'll get going as soon as that tractor comes down.
I'm ready.
बैठो देखो सामू क्या करे यार
Mom, what's that thing?
Why are you not going now? Why are you not going now?
What are you saying?
I want to feed them.
बैठ ये पड़ गया
I'm scared my dad is not.
Hot dog rolls?
Hey, Karen, I've got a bucket of bread.
Pull up, big arm. Full of bread.
Okay everybody, I think we're ready to make a start now. So a very good afternoon to you all. Thanks for joining us for our milking demonstration today. My name's Carl, and we're milking the cows along with Beth, who's just coming in now. This is Beth. And we're going to be here for quite a while. We're going to be milking 150 cows. So it takes a while, about an hour and a half to milk all the cows. So as we're going through the milking process, I'll explain what we're doing, the reasons why we're doing it. Please feel free, if at any time you have any questions to ask, just pop your hands up, we'll answer any questions along the way. I'm sure I'll explain things in a lot of detail. Okay, right, are we all ready to meet the cows? Okay, ready when you are, Beth? So we're going to let the cows in. We can let 20 cows in at once. So let's watch them come in. Here they come. The first thing people are always amazed by is how well behaved the cows are when they come into here. And we'll talk about their behaviour in a moment. I just want you to watch them coming in and see how good they are. Straight into position. So how I always explain it, there's two main reasons why the cows want to come in the milking parlour. The first reason is they all get something to eat when they come in here. Where the cows' heads are at the front, they've got the trough to have something to eat. The second reason why the cows want to come in is because they actually want to be milked. The cows' udders will get very full, probably very heavy and uncomfortable, so they want to come in here to get rid of that milk to feel more. Okay, so we've got 20 cows in now, so me and Beth are going to get to work milking them. We'll talk you through it, like I said. Beth's going to do exactly the same as me from the far end. I'll start from this end. The first thing we have to do before we get any milk from the cows whatsoever is we wipe the cows' udders nice and clean like this. Obviously, this is the cow's udder. This is where all the milk is inside the cow's udder. We want to get the milk as clean as possible from them. So that's why we spend a little bit of time. This bit's really time consuming, but we like to be quite thorough and precise in what we do. We need nice clean milk coming from the cows. So apologies it takes a while, but we like to be quite precise. Ready to put the milking machines on now, they're all clean, just going to give them a quick dry. Don't know if you can see this one, but this one's leaking already, look. Okay. Now we're ready to put the milking machines on. For those of you that haven't seen this before or heard it before, these are the milking machines that we use, and immediately you'll be able to hear the milking machines working. The milking machines sound and they work just like a vacuum cleaner. They suck milk up the pipes through into these blue pots just above our heads. people are always amazed by as well when the cows are in here. Well, they always ask actually, do the milking machines hurt the cows? And my answer's always the same. Would the cows even want to come in here if the milking machines hurt them? Absolutely not. That was all swirling it. Nearly got me. Hey guys. Okay, so let me quickly explain what you're all able to see now. We've got 20 milking cows in here all in a line. All 20 cows are having something to eat, whilst the milking machine suck the milk from the cows' udders up the pipes through into these blue pots just above our heads. Now the blue pots get filled really, really quick. So the milk from here releases into this silver pipe and it comes down here into this big vessel. Now watch this. The milk shoots up this pipe all the way across, and there's a big silver tank across the road. That's where all the milk goes. So the milk coming from the cows is at body temperature, so quite warm really. Once the milk ends up in the big silver tank, it's cooled down to about 3 or 4 degrees. It stays cold, which keeps it fresher for much longer time. Okay, we'll talk about what we do with the milk very, very shortly. Let me tell you a little bit more about the cows. Altogether on our farm we have 115 milking cows. All 115 of them get milked 3 times a day, every day. So, I told you it takes an hour and a half to milk them once. 4.5 hours of our day is taken up just by milking the cows. We milk the cows now at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We milk the cows again this evening at 9 o'clock. And we milk the cows 5 o'clock in the morning. 3 times a day, every single day. So every 8 hours. And believe you me, these ladies know when it's milking time. Even if you're late, you can be half an hour late sometimes, they'll stand at the gate shouting. They know when it's time for milking. So, you're probably all wondering how much milk the cows produce. 115 cows produce 4,000 litres of milk a day. So, on an average, somewhere around 32, 33 litres of milk per cow per day. You'll be able to see how much milk the cows produce actually because it's on these monitors just here. And this is in litres, so this is 9.8 litres, 7.9, 5.6, 7.6. So it becomes quite apparent that all the cows produce different amounts of milk. The amount of milk that the cows produce has a lot to do with how recently they've had a baby. The more recently they've had a baby, the more milk that they will give. So on that note, I'll tell you about our best cow on the farm. And she's the best because she produces the most milk. The best cow on our farm produces 66 litres of milk a day. One cow, 66 litres. And obviously she's recently had a baby. That means she's making 22 litres per milking. A heck of a lot of milk. Okay, now you'll see some of the milking machines coming away. One's coming away as we speak here. We always milk the cows until they're completely empty. They're not on a timing system. The milking machines know when the cows have no milk left in them. Where the milk squirts into these blue pots up at the top, it goes in through a sensor. So if no milk squirts in, that means the cow's udders are empty, and that's why the milking machines come away. Some cows are really quick, only take 2 or 3 minutes to milk. Actually, other cows can take quite a long time, up to 7 or 8 minutes really. But average milking time is about 5.5 minutes. Let's have a look along the line, see which cows are producing the most milk. Second cow in, 13.1 litres, 11.09, 11.6 here. Any better than that there, Ben? Who? 12.9. This one's coming off. Okay, on that note, as most of the milking machines are coming away, we'll talk you through this next bit as well. When the cows have finished milking, I spoke to you all at the beginning about how important it is to make sure the cows' udders are nice and clean before we milk them. When the cows have finished milking, even more important to keep the cows' udders as clean as possible. So when they're finished, we put this special soap onto their udders. This helps to keep the cow's udders nice and clean, stops any bacteria getting up into the cow's udders, and also helps to keep the cow's udders moisturised, and it helps to keep flies away from the cows, which is great this time of year. Lots of advantages to popping that on. Because it's orange, well, some people think it's blood when we put it on. Right, we're just waiting for one more cow to finish, and we have to wait till all 20 cows are finished because we let them out together. Okay, very quickly. The milk what these cows are producing now goes in the big silver tank. From there, the milk goes into the room just to the right-hand side, into our pasteurising room. We process the milk that these cows are producing this afternoon, and then within an hour it'll be in our shops to buy. That's how quick it gets from the cows into our shop. And actually, we send our milk out for deliveries tomorrow morning as well. So we have 17 milk rounds now around Bolton. We're delivering lots of local milk to lots of local people. About 4,300 milk customers on our database, so that we're supplying on a weekly basis, so lots of milk. Okay, all the cows are finished now, so we're going to let them out. As you can see, they're exiting through this direction. Keeps them separate from the cows that haven't yet been milked. This is the time where you might see them having a wee or a poo on the way out. So, go up, cows. So, just to confirm, that's 20 cows that we've milked. Just another 95 to go. Come on, cows.
है